Hello everybody, it is Steve. Thanks for dropping in. So on today's episode we're doing a business to business PS5 HDMI port replacement. I always like to show how we include deep cleaning because man, most of the stuff that comes through needs it. So we're going to take care of this mini heatsink as well as this main heatsink down here. So all these chunkies, we're going to address all those chunkies. There we go. We're also going to clean out that PSU and the entire chassis that everything sits in. We'll also take care of this liquid metal displacement for you. Oops, sorry. Fix that for you. I should have my fume extractor on. Unfortunately, we might have some torn pads. I'm hoping not. But on the far left, it doesn't look good. Alright, so we just gotta... So it'll be on your guys' right, I believe. Damn phone. Good and bad, I guess. But yeah, it'll be on your guys' right-hand side, I'm pretty sure. Is what I'm talking about. Hopefully it's the pins. Yeah, I think it's the pins. Sweet, I think it's the pins. Yay! Oh, but we do have a problem that capacitor's gone. That capacitor's definitely gone. We'll need to replace that. There we go. Couldn't see it first. Come on. Take my SATA. Oh, I accidentally removed this freaking cap I just put on. Board prepped. Let's get the HDMI port on. Alright, another satisfied SBL Games client. Be sure to smash that like button, drop a comment, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos, and if you're new to this, be sure to subscribe.